apa kita orang Melayu tu boleh
dia yang penting orang Melayu perlu bersatu. Siapa yang jadi dia punya flag bearer tu, they have to be decided whether it's PKR ke, UMNO ke, ini ada patu PAS ke tak. Tapi asas dia, pada saya, my personal view, orang Melayu kena bersatu, kan? When orang Melayu bersatu, the politicking in the country will be reduced. And that is the pandangan daripada bukan Melayu sendiri. Now there's too much politicking. Masalah dia, semua orang Melayu nak jadi Perdana Menteri. Must decide, okay, kalau should decide, okay, kalau PMX nak jadi Perdana, let PMX rule. Kalau somebody else lah, tak kisahlah, kan? But must be under satu. Because once politik cara macam ni, the grassroots or the common people is confused, including the non-Malays. So, in the end, the country is not moving forward. Kan? Sekarang pun negara kita masalah ekonomi, masalah macam-macam kan. Jadi, so we are not really moving forward.
So, macam rasa gerakan ni akan jadi seperti gerakan sebelum ni ke macam yang jadi sebelum ni kan? Maksudnya,
tak tahulah, because with the past it has also failed, but boleh kulit you cannot avoid ada movement macam ni untuk unite the Malays, because whatever reason, kalau you go on the grassroots, a lot of Malays rasa tersisih. Maybe it's perception, maybe it's imaginary, tapi it is there. Then something need to be done. Maybe PM is trying to do something, I don't know, but to give the confidence that supaya semua Melayu bersatu.
Adakah NGO ni akan percaya?
I don't know, because I'm not involved in the NGO. I'm not involved with the party. I don't know whether dia akan percaya atau tidak lah, kan? Tapi this is a respected person lah. Dalam Malay community, he is respected. I mean, all of us have benefited from him. In my case, business, education, many other sort of things. So respect is there lah. You cannot have one. Whatever happen, we have to respect the fellow. You agree or don't agree, you have to respect the fellow. Because then, but it's not only to the Malays, the non-Malays, so family.